If a is equal to log x minus 1 minus log x 2, and if determinant of a is equal to 2, then the value of x is equal to, first option is 2, second option is square, third option is minus 2, fourth option e, and fifth option is log of 2f. Okay, so determinant of here, so determinant of a is equal to log x into 2f, 2 log x here, minus minus into minus plus here, 1 into log x becomes log of x here, and 2 log x can be written as a log of x square here, log of x square minus log x. Log x square minus log x is a log of x square divided by x here. Okay, you know the formula, log of m minus log of n is equal to log of m divided by n. Okay, using that formula, then log of x square upon x becomes a log of x here. It is the log of x. But they given here determinant of a is equal to 2f. They already given here. It's the determinant of a is 2f because determinant of a is equal to 2f. They already given here. Therefore, there is a formula, and here always a base here. Is understood that log of x is there is always log to the base e, log x to the base e. Then there is a formula according to the definition, log of suppose x raised to y is equal to z here, then y is equal to what here? Log of z to the base x here. X raised to y is equal to z, then y is equal to log z to the base x. So this can be written in this form here, even this can be written in this form also. Therefore, log z to the base x equal to y, then z is equal to x raised to y. Therefore 2 is equal to log x to the base e. Therefore x is equal to what here? This x is equal to e raised to 2 here. This is the e raised to 2 e square. Using this definition here, then obviously second option is correct. X is equal to e square. L, m and n are the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP and all positive. Then log L P1, log M Q1, log N R1. Determinant of this is equal to what here? First option is minus 1, second option 2, third option 1, and the fourth option is 0. Okay, here these are the terms in the GPF. Therefore, let A be the first term here. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. R be the common ratio of a GPF. Of a GP. And you know the formula, nth term is given by, nth term is a r raised to n minus 1 here. This is the formula. Here L is what here? L is the pth term here. Okay. Therefore L is equal to a into r raised to p minus 1. Okay. This is the pth term. As a r raised to p minus 1. And m is a qth term here. M is equal to a r raised to q minus 1 here. And n is a rth term here. So n is equal to a into r raised to r minus 1 here. You are using this formula. Then taking a logarithm on both sides here. And you know the formula here. Logarithm properties. Here log of m plus m into n here. Log of m into n is log m plus log of n here. And also you know that log of m raised to n is n into log of m. Log m into n is log m plus log m. Log m raised to n is n into log of m here. Hence, taking logarithm on both sides here, so how can write here? Log of L is equal to log A into this here. Here's log of A. Log of A plus P minus 1 here. P minus 1 into log of R. Log of R. You are using both formulas here. So similarly, log of M here. Log of M is equal to log of A. Log A plus Q minus 1. Q minus 1 into log of R. So log of R here. Then this implies log of n here. Taking log on both sides here, log n is equal to log of A plus R minus 1 here into log of R here. Log of R. Okay. So use the log L, log M and log N here. That use here. Okay. Therefore, given expression here or given a determinant is equal to determinant of. Therefore, log A plus P minus 1 into log of R. Then a log of A. Then a plus Q minus 1 into log of R here. So similarly, log of A plus R minus 1 into log of R here. And a second column PQR. So right here P, Q and R. Third column 1, 1 and 1 here. So 1 and 1 here. And there is a property of the determinant. In the determinant, if any row and any column, sum of two terms like this here, then you can express a sum of two determinants here. Here sum of two terms. Each element sum of two terms here. You can express this one as a sum of two determinants here. Therefore, for write here log A, then the log of A, then the log of A. Then write here P, Q, R. So P, Q, R, 1, 1 and 1. 1, 1 and 1 here. Then plus, again determinant here. P minus 1 into log R. P minus 1 into log of R. Q minus 1 into log R. Q minus 1 into log of R. R minus 1 into log R. R minus 1 into log of R here. Then P, Q, R. Right here P, Q and R. 1, 1 and 1 here. So 1, 1 and 1. We are using a property here. From this column log A is a common factor. Therefore, so this is equal to log of A common factor here. Then here 1, 1 and 1 here. 1, 1 and 1. Then PQR. PQR 1, 1 and 1 here. And from this column here log of R common factor. So therefore this equal to plus here. Plus sign log of R. Log R is a common factor. P minus 1 here. Then Q minus 1. Then R minus 1 here. Okay. Then PQR. Right here PQR 1, 1 and 1 here. So right here 1, 1 and 1. Just observe here, these two columns are identical here. Hence the value of this determinant is 0. Complete that term with 0 here. Log of A into 0. Because two columns are identical, value of the determinant is 0. Then a plus log of R here. Adding these two columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C3. Therefore, determinant of Adding these two column, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So therefore P Q R, then P Q R 1 1 and 1. Again these two columns are identical. Value of this determinant is also 0 here. 0 into log A is a 0 here. Plus log of R into this is also 0. 0 into log of R is 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Hence value of this determinant is 0 here. So fourth option is correct. 0. Okay. Here A1 now, A2, A3 dash here are in a GP. Then the value of the determinant is what here? Okay, value of the determinant is equal to what here? You just observe they are in a GP, the terms are in GP. Just observe 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. They are in GP. They are in a GP because they are 4 upon 2 here is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 16 upon 8 is equal to 2 only. Okay, therefore here 4 upon 2 is a 2, 8 upon 4 is again 2 here, 16 upon 8 is a 2 here, therefore common ratio is a 2 here. Therefore in this case suppose if you consider this is a A1 here, this is A2, A3, A4 and so on here, and R is the common ratio. Therefore R is equal to what here? A2 divided by A1, A2 divided by A1 and A3 divided by A2 here, A3 divided by A2. Then A4 upon A3, A4 divided by A3. Okay, A2 upon A1 is equal to A3 upon A2 is equal to A4 upon A3 is a common ratio R here. Therefore, if you take a logarithm here, what happens? Log of R is equal to log of A2 minus of A1. Therefore, it is a log of A2 minus of log of A1. Log of R is equal to log A2 minus log of A1. So, similarly, log R is equal to log A3 minus A2 here. Log of R. Log of R is log of A3 minus of log of A2. Then taking logarithm to this term. Hence, log of R is equal to log A4 minus log A3. Log of A4 minus of log of A3. Okay, therefore, even here also you are using this result only. Okay, you are using the same result in this example here. Here A1, A2, A3, AN, that are in GPL. Hence, here AN plus 1 upon AN here. So, AN plus 1 divided by AN is the common ratio. Then, AN plus 2 divided by AN plus 1. Again, it is a common ratio. Then, AN plus 4 divided by AN plus 3. Again, you will get a common ratio. And AN plus 5 divided by AN plus 4. Again, you will get a common ratio. Therefore, here it gives a log of R. Log of R gives a log AN plus 1 minus log AN here. Log of AN plus 1 minus of log of AN. Then log of R is equal to log of this means log of R. Log of R is equal to log of AN plus 2 minus of log of AN plus 1 here. Log R is equal to log of this means log of R is equal to log of AN plus 4 here. AN plus 4 minus of log of AN plus 3 and so on here. And so on. Therefore, just observe here. Take care of this minus this here C2 minus C1. Okay. So C2 minus of C2 gives C2 minus C1. So similarly C3 gives C3 minus C1 here. First column write as it is. Log of An, then a log of An plus 3, then log of An plus 6 here. Okay, first column keep as it is. Then this column minus this column, log An plus 1 minus log An. Log An plus 1 minus log of An is log of R here. So obviously it is a log of R. Then this minus of this here. Okay, so log An plus 1 minus log An plus 3 gives log of R. Again it is a log of R. Then this minus of this gives log of R here. Log of R. Then this minus this, again it is a log R only. This minus this, log of R. Then this minus this, it is a log R only. Okay, therefore two columns are identical here. Hence the value of the determinant is what? 0. Hence D is the correct option. Okay, here A1, A2, A3, dash, A10 be in a GB with AI greater than 0 for I is equal to 1, 2, dash up to 10, and S be the set, it is a set here, set of all pairs R comma K, ordered pair R comma K, R and K are the natural numbers here, R K belongs to N, for which the determinant is equal to 0. Okay, value of this determinant is 0, they are already given here. Then the number of elements in the set S is what is? Okay, there are 4 elements, or there may be 2 elements, or the set S contains 10 elements, or fourth option, infinitely many elements here. Okay, so just observe here, just take a previous example here. Here if you subtract here, then what happens? This minus this here. Okay, means you know the property here, log of M minus log of N is equal to log of M divided by N. Okay, if you take here C2 gives here C2 minus C1 here. This minus this here, this minus this gives a log of this term divided by this here. Similarly, this divided by this or this upon this here, it gives a log of. So here C3 gives C3 minus C1 here. This minus of this here means log of this minus log of this gives a log of M minus log N means what here? Log M by N. Therefore, what observe here, what happens? This divided by this here. They already given these are in GPS. Let us consider A1 is equal to A, first term. Then A2 is AR, and A3 is equal to AR square here. Then A4 is AR raised to 3 here. Then A5 AR raised to 4 here, and solve. A10 AR raised to 9 AR raised to 9. A10 is AR raised to 9. Okay, A3 is A4 here. This is A5, and here it is A10 because they are given, they are in GPR. Therefore, this term divided by this term here, A2 raised to R, A3 raised to K divided by A1 raised to R, A1 raised to R, A2 raised to K, A2 raised to K is equal to A2 raised to R divided by A1 raised to R means A2 whole raised to r here. Hence a2 divided by a1 raised to r here. a3 raised to k divided by a2 raised to k becomes a3 divided by a2 raised to k is equal to a2 divided by a1 here. a2 divided by a1 this upon this here ar divided by this ar raised to r. a3 divided by a2 this upon this here ar square divided by this ar raised to k. A and e cancels here, r raised to r. So r raised to r. A and e cancels, r and 1 r cancels, therefore r raised to k. Yes, r raised to what here? R plus k. R raised to r plus k. Similarly, here this divided by this here, a5 raised to r into a6 raised to k. a6 raised to k divided by a4 raised to r. a4 raised to r. a5 raised to k. a5 raised to k. Again a5 raised to r upon a4 raised to r means a5 divided by a4 raised to r into a6 divided by a5 raised to k. a5 means ar raised to 4. a4 means ar raised to 3 raised to this r. Then a6 is ar raised to 5 divided by a5 is ar raised to 4 raised to k. Here a and e cancels, r raised to 4 upon r raised to 3 means r raised to r here. Again it is r raised to r plus, plus here into. A and e cancels, r raised to 5 upon r raised to 4, r again r raised to k. It gives r raised to r plus k. Similarly, this divided by this gives the same result here. So a8 raised to r into a9 raised to k. a9 raised to k divided by a7 raised to r. a7 raised to r into a8 raised to k. a8 raised to k gives again r raised to r plus k. Okay, therefore here this minus this minus this minus this gives log of r raised to r plus k. Similarly, so then here C3 minus C1 means this column minus this column here. Therefore this divided by this here using this property here. Okay. So log of here a3 raised to r, a4 raised to r divided by a1 raised to r, a1 raised to r, a2 raised to k, a2 raised to k, this is raised to k. Therefore a3 upon a1 raised to r, a3 divided by a1 whole raised to r into a4 divided by a2 here, a4 divided by a2 raised to k. It gives a3 means a square and a1 is only a raised to r, a4 ar cube here and here a2 ar raised to k. Therefore a and e cancels, r square raised to r becomes r raised to 2r into a and a cancels, r cube upon r becomes r square raised to k becomes r raised to 2k. Here base are same here, you can write r raised to 2r plus 2k, 2r plus 2k. Therefore, here this divided by this. Yes, r raised to 2r plus 2k. Similarly, this upon this gives the same result here. A6 raised to r, A6 raised to r, A7 raised to k, A7 raised to k divided by A4 raised to r, A4 raised to r, A5 raised to k, A5 raised to k gives again r raised to 2r plus 2k. Then this A9 raised to r, A9 raised to r divided into A10 raised to k, A10 raised to k divided by A7 raised to r, A7 raised to r, A8 raised to k, A8 raised to k gives r raised to 2r plus 2k, 2r plus 2k. Therefore, here if we take here, so C2 gives C2 minus C1 and C3 gives C3 minus C1 here. In that case, first column elements keep as it is here. This implies, okay, this implies a log of to the base A1 raised to r, A2 raised to k. Then a log of to the base A4 raised to r, A5 raised to k. Then a log to the base E, A7 raised to r, A8 raised to k. First column keep as it is here. Then C2 minus C1 here. C2 minus C1 means this minus this here. And you know that log of m minus log of n is what here? Log of m divided by n. It's a log of this minus log this is log of this upon this here. And you know that this upon this gives r raised to r plus k. Then log of r raised to r plus k to the base e. Similarly, this minus this gives log of r raised to r plus k to the base e here. Again, this minus this gives log of r raised to r plus k to the base e. Then C3 minus C1 here. This minus this here. Again is in this property. This upon this gives r raised to 2r plus 2k. Here's log of r raised to 2r plus 2k to the base e. Then log of r raised to 2r plus 2k to the base e. Log of r raised to 2r plus 2k to the base e is equal to what here? They already given here is equal to 0. Just observe here, you can take a common factor from this column, log r raised to r plus k common. From this column, log r raised to r plus 2k common factor here. Yes, sir. If you take a common factor, then two columns are identical. If two columns are identical, then obviously determinant is what here? 0. If determinant is 0, then r and k value is not applying here. Means the value of the determinant not depends on this r and k value. Because here you are taking common factor, here also you are taking common factor. Two columns are identical. If two columns are identical, value of the determinant is 0. Then we are not taking r and k value. Therefore, you choose any r and k value, the value of the determinant becomes what here? 0. Yes, here S contains infinitely many values here. So therefore, fourth option is correct here. Because that the value of the determinant not depends on r and k. Not depends on r and k. There are infinite number of infinite number of pair of elements containing this S here. S is what here? S is the set here. It contains infinite number of pair of elements here. Means R and S is a pair here. Okay? Or R and K is a pair here. And so on here. There are infinite number of elements in this set S here. Hence D is the correct option here. D is the correct option.